नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all of you sitting with us all over the world, in all continents, almost all the countries. I welcome all of you with my love and respect, blessings. I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus, de facto Kailashians from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Kartas, Sarvanyapita Yajamans, manifestors, Sarvabarityahis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas e-Gurukul students, Kailasas NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals, supporters, and Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, and Astreshwaras, and all those watching us live on Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, and other social media platforms. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. The important persons who have joined from all over the world for this celebration. His Excellency Mr. Teburoro Tito, former President of Republic of Kiribati and Foreign Minister of Republic of Kiribati and Ambassador to the US, United States of America, and Permanent Representative to the United Nations for Kiribati, and His Excellency Ambassador G. Anthony Hilton, CD MP. Ambassador Hilton is attorney at law and public servant. He was cabinet minister in the government of Jamaica. And Maliha Wilson, Tamil Canadian lawyer from Canada and Deputy Attorney General of Government of Ontario. And Sri Vedantamji from Tamil Nadu, International Working President of Visva Hindu Parishad. I thank all of you for being here. I'm so happy to welcome all of you and many more all over the world sitting with us. I welcome each and every one of you on this beautiful occasion. Today, it's 43 years over my advent on planet Earth. 43 years successfully completed, entering into 44th year. With the grace of Paramashiva, it is such an amazing journey, wonderful journey. thank you all for being here to celebrate 44th Avatara Dina Mahotsava, which is part of the Jayanti Brahmotsavam happening, as I said, 43 years completed, entering into 44th year on this planet Earth, in this incarnation. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa on this auspicious occasion. Listen. Blessings, blessings, blessings to the whole universe is my message. Humanity is entering into a new phase. I am here to give superconscious breakthrough to the whole humanity. It is time humanity gets this superconscious breakthrough. One of the worst pralaya is over, completed. One of the great deluge is over. It is completed. Now it is time for humanity to build the conscious life. So I am here manifesting Kailasa to give superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. I sincerely thank everyone around the world for being part of this wonderful journey. So today, Paramashiva's message is blessing, blessing, blessing. Let all the auspiciousness happen. I am here, ready, available to the whole humanity. Reviving Kailasa, the ancient enlightened Hindu civilizational nation with its own territory. Kailasa is an enlightened Hindu civilizational nation, revived now with its own territory also. We are basically civilizational nation with territory also. As I told earlier in satsangs, we have more than one places. In some place, some countries have offered a bit of property to us with autonomous status. Some countries have offered with a nominal sovereignty. So we have more than one place as territory for Kailasa in different corners of the world. So now we are legally stitching all of that and making it into a legitimate nation. That work is happening. Formally, I am announcing this to the world. Soon I'll give the addresses also, location also. because we are stitching all of it and properly organizing it as a nation, legitimate nation with its own territory. Soon I'll announce the locations where all we have territory. I am happy to share with you all a Hindu nation with its own territory is born. Already it is born, it is happening. With the grace of Paramashiva, it has happened beautifully. We have already started functioning as a government, as I said, in with some countries we have a diplomatic relationship, with some countries the host country agreement, with some countries we have a de facto spiritual embassies. As I said, more than one place we have land with autonomous status, and more than one place we have land with nominal sovereignty. So all this is getting nicely stitched, and a nation called United States of Kailasa is evolving. Paramashiva is here now with his own nation to bless you all with all the spiritual principles, experiences, and all the great sciences of Hinduism. Understand, Hinduism has extraordinary knowledge. Fundamentally, Hinduism is greater science. Fundamentally, Hinduism is greater science. In the field of enlightenment, in the field of medicine, in the field of health, in the field of astronomy, field of cosmology, the field of physics, chemistry, biology, art, science, music, in every field, Hinduism has so much to contribute to the world. Hinduism has so much to share with the world. Kailasa is the ancient enlightened Hindu civilizational nation which will be functioning as the seed bank for Hinduism. Kailasa is the seed bank for Hinduism. There is so much to tell, so much to share. With all of you, I can see in front of me literally the whole world is sitting. I sincerely wanted to thank every one of you for being here. Your support for Hinduism, your support for Kailasa Nation, your love, everything is appreciated. I sincerely bow down and give my respect to each one of you for being here. I am literally overwhelmed. To tell you the truth, I am literally overwhelmed. Sri S.V. Sekharji, thank you for joining. Thank you for being here. Tavattiru Perur Adinam Srilasri Santalinga Ramaswamy Adigal avargalai vanangi varaverkindrain. I am so happy to see so many of you in front of me joining, being part of this program. Teran Davis, philanthropist from Los Angeles, private client division and refined hardware president. Thank you for being here. Kailasa Nation is the most ancient enlightened civilization, Hindu civilizational nation. There were 49 ancient civilizations, the pre-Bronze Age. The only civilization still alive is Hinduism. This nation, Kailasa, I created as a seed bank for Hinduism to keep everything related to Hinduism alive and revive and share with the world. With the grace of Paramashiva, with the blessings of Paramashiva, Kailasa has successfully happened. So the revival of ancient, enlightened Hindu civilizational nation has happened with its own territory. As on now, we have territory more than one places. And we are also getting from few more countries, few more smaller islands and small territories. I am stitching all of it and forming United States of Kailasa. Soon I'll announce the location where all we have our territories. At least in one place, the Hinduism need to be kept alive as it is, without being constantly attacked, persecuted, destroyed. I wanted all the living and practicing Hindus of the world to know Hinduism is the most peaceful, non-violent, contributing civilization. All over the world, we are minority. I want all the Hindus to know all over the world, other than India, Nepal, we are factually and actually minority. In Nepal, and India, we are factually may not be minority, but actually we are minority. Hindus in Nepal and in India, number wise may not be minority, means factually may not be minority, but actually minority. So fundamentally, Hindus are minority all over the world. At least in one place, we need to keep Hinduism alive. The Hindu enlightenment sciences like yoga, meditation, kriyas, temple rituals, Hindu architecture knowledge, all the Hindu way of healthy eating, Hindu medicine, in every field, the large knowledge our ancestors contributed to humanity need to be kept alive, preserved, made user friendly, and shared with the world. This is the sole purpose why Kailasa is born. To keep the grand narrative of Hinduism alive, I made this Kailasa. Kailasa has successfully happened. I sincerely wanted to thank all the Hindus all over the world for supporting me and making this Kailasa happen. Understand? Just like how Jews supported Israel and made Israel happen, same way Hindus from all over the world supported me and made this Kailasa happen. I sincerely want to thank you all for supporting me and making this Kailasa happen. It is my gurus, all my gurus, my ancestors, my predecessors, their vision, their command, their instruction to me, their guru walk to me, with their grace, with Paramashiva's own blessings, Paramashiva himself manifested and made this Kailasa into reality. He made it happen. What Vivekananda visualized, Aurobindo aspired, Yogananda yearned, Osho worked, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi mandated, with Paramashiva's grace, Paramashiva himself manifested through Nityananda and made it happen. Finally, the Hindu nation with its own territory is here. In Kailasa, Vedas and Agamas are the constitution. Manudharma Shastra is the jurisprudence. Manudharma and Dharma Shastras are the jurisprudence. I want the whole world to know, oh Hindus, don't be apologetic about Varnashrama Dharma. Varnashrama Dharma is the reason why we are existing thousands of years as an indestructible civilization. Yes, we lost all the land, no doubt. But as a civilization, we are not dead. Now, we have not only civilizational nation, we have nation with territory also. So, Kailasa will practice the Varnashrama Dharma as per Manunidi Shastra. Manudharma Shastra will be the jurisprudence of Kailasa. Understand? Bharat has two layers. One civilizational nation, another territorial nation. The civilizational nation is getting choked even in Bharat. We are getting boxed in even in Bharat. Media, not only Hindu phobic, absolutely anti-Hindu. Media is forcing the government official, administrative wing, always to make decisions against Hinduism. And media is forcing legislatures to take anti-Hindu stand. And media is forcing the judiciary to play for the gallery and make all the anti-Hindu decisions. So the civilizational nation, Bharat, is getting boxed in, choked literally through the anti-Hindu ecosystem intensely. Last 200 years of heavy brainwashing, even Hindus have started believing something is wrong with Hinduism. I want the Hindus all over the world to know nothing is wrong with Hinduism. Hinduism is the greatest science. If at all we have a problems, it is because we did not practice Hinduism, not because we practiced Hinduism. So be unapologetically Hindu. Hinduism does not need reformers. It needs revivers. I am not a reformer. No, I am a reviver. In the name of reforming Hinduism, Hinduism has been attacked so much and Hindus are brainwashed. I am very clear. Hinduism needs revival, not reforming. I am here to revive Hinduism, not reform. So the Kailasa, Vedas and Agamas are the constitution. Manudharma Shastra and Dharma Shastras are the jurisprudence. Everything, all the best things of the Hinduism, I will revive it. The science of Aushadha, science of Vimanas, science of astrology, science of Vastu Sastra, everything, all the best things of Hinduism. With the grace of Paramashiva, Paramashiva has given me enough energy, intelligence, he himself is manifesting to decode the Hindu scriptures and Hindu Shastras. Kailasa will work intensely, sincerely to revive Hinduism. I sincerely thank everyone from all over the world for supporting me, showering your time, treasure, talent, everything. And making this Kailasa happen. I am fulfilled. I am fulfilled. The grace of Paramashiva beautifully manifesting and making the Kailasa into reality, and now whole world will experience Paramashiva's grace. Today's message from Paramashiva directly is blessings, blessings, blessings. Superconscious breakthrough for the whole humanity has started manifesting. From now, Kailasa will be functional, reviving Sanatana Hindu Dharma and giving superconscious breakthrough to the whole humanity. So happy to see you all continuously supporting. Thousands of proclamation messages are pouring from all over the world. I sincerely wanted to thank every one of you. இந்த இனிய 44வது அவதாரத் திருநாள் நிகழ்விலே எங்களோடு இணைந்திருக்கும் தவத்திரு பேரூர் ஆதீனம் ஸ்ரீலஸ்ரீ சாந்தலிங்க ராமசுவாமி அடிகள் அவர்களை 25வது குருமகா சன்னிதானம் அவர்களை வணங்கி மகிழ்கின்றேன், வணங்கி வரவேற்கின்றேன். தாங்கள் வருகை தந்தமைக்கு மிகுந்த நன்றிகள். தங்களுடைய வாழ்த்துச் செய்தியும் கிடைக்கப் பெற்றோம். மிகுந்த மகிழ்ச்சி. தங்கள் வந்தமைக்கு மிகுந்த நன்றிகள். உலகம் முழுவதிலும் அமர்ந்திருக்கும் அன்பர்கள், சீடர்கள், பக்தர்கள் அனைவரையும் வணங்கி மகிழ்கின்றேன், வரவேற்கின்றேன். I am just overwhelmed. It's not usual for me to get overwhelmed. Very rare. And of course, all devotees and disciples, you know that I speak for hours and hours and hours. But today, suddenly, first time I feel stuck for the words. I feel stuck for the words. I only wanted to convey these few things. Blessings to the whole world. Kailasa, the most ancient, enlightened Hindu civilizational nation, is now revived with territory also. We have our own nation now. We have legitimately established Reserve Bank now. Everything a nation needs is getting established. We have territory in more than one place. It's not that territory is just in one place. We have territory in more than one place. So we are forming the legal bodies and connecting all of it to make it as a single entity nation legitimately. That work is happening. So once that is done, I will announce the territories we have and different parts of the world. As I said, in some countries, we got the territory from the host country with autonomous status. In some countries, we have got nominal sovereignty status. So we are stitching all of it and making this United States of Kailasa happen. And we are also getting territories from few more countries, smaller islands. So we are stitching all of that. I just wanted to tell all the Hindus all over the world, with the grace of Paramashiva, Hinduism will thrive, survive, spread all over the world. The seed bank for Hinduism is ready. It is 26 years of hard work. When I was 16-year-old boy, my gurus have done Yoga Pattabhishekam to me and put me in the Guru Pita And after doing Yoga Pattabhishekam, they made me study whatever little education I had to go through, and then started my work as per their orders. I always tell you, when gurus ordain, they sustain. It's such wonderful journey. Last 26 years of hard work has become reality now. Now, the Kailasa nation has happened. So I wanted to thank every one of you and share this joy with all of you. It's so beautiful to see this Kailasa blossoming and Kailasa happening. Hinduism has so much to contribute to the world. Understand? We are minority literally in all nations all over the world. But in every country, whether it is United States of America or United Kingdom, Canada, Trinidad, Tobago, any nation, Australia, any country, Hindus are the richest ethnic minority. The reason is we are the most contributing civilization. Understand? Just Google top 100 CEOs of the world. Top 100 contributing CEOs of the world. You will see more than 50 are from Hinduism. Just Google top 100 terrorists of the world. You will know from where terrorists are coming, from where contributing human beings are coming. Understand? Hinduism is the most contributing tradition. Every nation we go and settle down. Anywhere we settle down. Hindus area means lowest crime rate. Hindus area means the school will have very high standard. Hindus lowest divorce rate, most stable family, lowest drug abuse, lowest addiction, lowest hospitalization. In every level, what I am talking is fact-based, statistic-based statement, not some theories, philosophy. It's all fact-based, statistic-based. Hindus are the most contributing civilization. Hinduism needs to be kept alive to keep the humanity alive. Understand? Humanity, world needs Hinduism, and Hinduism needs Kailas. I sincerely wanted to thank every one of you for supporting me, helping me, giving your moral strength, sharing your time, treasure, talent, everything, and making this Kailasa happen. We have few more VIPs joining the function, the 44th Jayanti function. Sri A. Manjunath is a member of Legislative Assembly, MLA of the Magadi Assembly constituency where Adi Kailash, Biddi exists. Thank you, Sri A. Manjunath, MLA ji, for joining. Where our Adinam exists, he is the member of Legislative Assembly, MLA of that constituency. Thank you for joining. And also Bajrang Sene President, Sri Manju has joined. Thank you. I welcome you. Sri Vedantam ji, International President of the Viswa Hindu Parishad. Thank you for joining. Sri Baljit Toor, Board Member of Viswa Hindu Parishad and Redland Area Interfaith Community Group Member, Vice President of Gopio Inland Empire. Thank you for joining. And Sri Shivakumara Swamiji, former IAS officer and Hindu leader, thank you for joining. A founder of Mangere Subramanya Swami, New Zealand, Ilango Krishnamurthy, thank you for joining. Literally from all continents, from all countries, people are here attending this function. So happy to have you all. And I am overwhelmed by all the support I receive from all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for helping me in reviving this civilizational nation. See, it's not that all the Jews are living in Israel, but any Jew living in any country supports Israel because the Jews have realized the need for Israel. Israel needs to be there to keep Judaism alive. Same way, the Hindus all over the world have supported me. Even though you are all not living inside Kailasa, you all have supported me and made this Kailasa happen. Thank you, thank you, thank you all. And once again, I wanted to thank every one of you who are here. Today, I wanted to emphasize only one thing. I am fulfilled, extremely happy, celebrating my journey on this planet Earth, 43 years, and last 26 years of public life, my hard work, with all your help, support. Above all, Paramashiva's grace, he himself has manifested and made this Kailasa happen. So I wanted to repeat once more. Kailasa, the ancient, enlightened Hindu civilizational nation, is now ready with its own territory. We have a territory in more than one place. Still more legal infrastructure work is happening. Once those work is completed, I'll announce the locations where all we have territory. I only wanted to thank on this auspicious day all the Hindus all over the world for supporting me, sharing your time, treasure, talent, and making this Kailasa happen, making this Kailasa into reality. Now, it is time this Kailasa starts giving to the whole world what it needs to give. Kailasa is created to revive Hinduism, not reform. I wanted to insist, I am not reformer. I am only a reviver. I will revive Hinduism as it was in the original scriptures, Vedas and Agamas. So, it is time for Paramashiva to give superconscious breakthrough to the whole world. Paramashiva is here giving superconscious breakthrough to the whole world with Kailasa, its own territory. Understand? Fundamentally, Hinduism needs a seed bank, a place where everything can be kept alive and practiced without interference, external influence, brainwashing, diluting, without any of that. We need at least few lakh people who are unapologetically Hindus. We are the most peaceful tradition. That is the reason we need to be kept alive. We are the most peace-loving tradition. That is the reason we need to be kept alive. So, Kailasa is ready now with its own territory. The first batch of citizens have started moving to Kailasa. All the basic things needed are happening. The survival infrastructures are getting done. Now it is time Paramashiva will manifest superconscious breakthrough to humanity. "26 years of sincere hard work has become fruitful. It has become reality. We have so many wonderful things to share with you all today. First thing I have to share with you all today is a beautiful project successfully completed, ready to be launched. Universal Hindu Parliament. Last 6 months we were working on this project. Today, successfully we completed this project. I am sharing it with the whole world. I am opening this to the whole world. Universal Hindu Parliament. It has 7 parts. Chit Sabha. Chit Sabha, where Paramashiva does all the Panchakrityas and all the informations he wants to share with the world from Chit Sabha he releases to the world. Next is Deva Sabha. Understand? Hinduism as a unique way gods directly land on human beings' plane. Gods land on planet Earth and do the administration. Please understand. Oh Hindus, don't be apologetic. Don't try to be agnostic. When we say Paramashiva himself came as Irayanar, Sundaresa Pandian, Tokkanada Peruman, and created the Pandya Samrajya and started ruling. Don't be apologetic. Don't think it is mythology. Don't think it is a story. It is history. Not story. It is history. Gods do come to planet Earth. Paramashiva himself came and created Pandya Samrajya and ruled Madurai as Sundarabandian, Tokkanada Peruman, Irayanar. Parashakti herself came as Meenakshi. And Subramanya came as Ukrabandiya. These are true. And understand, this Deva Sabha will be run by the gods and goddesses directly come from Paramashiva to planet Earth, either in the form of incarnations. How? Subramanya has come in the form of Skandamata, or the partial Bhava Samadhi, like part-time, the gods will land on the sincere, intense, enlightened beings through Bhava Samadhi, either partially or full incarnations. Those beings will form this Deva Sabha. And third, Raja Sabha. Raja Sabha will be formed by all the Hindu activists all over the world. If you are a Hindu Guru, Hindu Pidadhipati, Hindu Matadhipati, or Hindu party leader, Hindu political activist, Hindu social leader, or any Hindu community leader, like different communities, Brahmins, Tevar, Saiva Velalar, so many different communities. The Hindu communities leaders and Hindu yoga studios, Hindu temple priests, Hindu temple owners, anyone who runs any Hindu ecosystem, you are eligible to become the Rajya Sabha member of Kailasa, Universal Hindu Parliament. Today I welcome anyone who is interested. You can apply, or if you are interested in nominating somebody, you can nominate that person's name. We will approach them, Kailasa will approach them and make them as part of the Rajya Sabha. Below the email address, Universal Hindu Parliament at kailasa.org is given. You can send an email to know the details of the Universal Hindu Parliament. Rajya Sabha is a universal Hindu parliament body. The third is Rajya Sabha structure. Fourth is Jnana Sabha, all the Hindu education organizations like Hindu Gurukuls, Hindu colleges, Hindu universities can become part of the Jnana Sabha. Kanaka Sabha will be all the Hindu business organizations, Hindu businessmen. It will be literally Hindu World Trade Center. Ananda Sabha will be for all the Hindu common men to address the issues of the Hindus all over the world. Nityananda Sabha will be focusing on my contribution, what we are doing, the governance of Kailasa, and our contribution for Hinduism. These 7 Sabhas is already legally formed. All the structures are established. Last 6 months we were working to legitimately form these bodies. Fortunately, with the grace of Paramashiva, it is all ready now. Already we have many members applied, and we also welcome anyone wants to join. You can send an email. If you want to nominate somebody, you can also send an email to Universal Hindu Parliament at kailasa.org. The final list, the first batch of MPs, Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha, Jnana Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Ananda Sabha and Nityananda Sabha will be revealed in coming Shivaratri. So today I am launching the completed project of Chit Sabha, Deva Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Jnana Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Ananda Sabha, Nityananda Sabha. These 7 Sabhas put together will be called Universal Hindu Parliament. And we have detailed the rules, regulations, structures, how the members are elected, what is the rights the members have, whole thing uploaded in the website, Kailasapedia. Please, anyone interested, go and read. We have 3 important websites fully updated, full-fledged, available today. Hinduismpedia, collection of all the Hindu scriptures. Kailasapedia, everything related to the governance of Kailasa. Nityanandapedia, all my contributions from my birth, last 43 years. These 3 websites are now completely updated and available to all of you. Please enjoy these 3 websites. I am opening it. And the next contribution is Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya. This is the project we were working for last so many years. Now it has come to a shape. I am launching this Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya project to feed all of you. Here I am sharing a small video presentation about Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya. Please enjoy.
Nityanandam, Manatya Manatyananda offers her humble pranams and deep gratitude at the divine feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam. The team of Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya would like to offer Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya website at the holy feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. To make the various services and offerings of Nityananda Annalaya, like informations on the various annadans, recipes from Bhavashastra, articles on various revelations on superconscious breakthrough through food and more. In this page, on the history of the science of food and nutrition, one can find information on the origin of this science directly from Bhagavan Paramashiva about Bhavashastra, the ancient Hindu cookbook, and the revival of this cooking science by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. We humbly present a window peek into the magnanimous amount of work contributed by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism and Kailasa's Nityananda Annalaya under his direct guidelines over the past 26 years. With over 1 billion meals served, the Nityananda Annalaya continues its ever-burning stove under the guidance and vision of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, who is dedicated to create a new world free from hunger. This page on Annadan presents the various Annadans offered by Kailasa. We bring to the world the traditional mouth-watering recipes from Bhavashastra with a special highlight of those enjoyed by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism as his personal favorite recipes. One can find the detailed information on the recipe, ingredients, preparation and cooking methods, a guided video, and step-by-step instructions with pictures that make it easy even for the beginners to try out these recipes. One can also explore more information on various topics related to food and nutrition, along with the divine insights revealed by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. With this, Annalaya Timili is requesting blessings for the release of this website, health.gov.kailasa.sk/Nityananda Annalaya. Nityananda.
आनंदमानंदम नित्यानंदमे नित्यानंदमानंदम नित्यानंदमे आनंद आनन्दमानन्दं नित्यानन्दमे नित्यानन्दमानन्दं नित्यानन्दमे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल केशव माधव नारायण राजीव लोचन आदि सनातन नित्यानन्दमानन्दमानन्दं नित्या
Today, the Annalaya, Kailasas Nityananda Annalaya is offering thousands of meal all over the world. Naivedyam offered today is 1925. Annadan people served is 27,734. Number of people participated in serving Annadan 329, total places 49 places in 12 countries. I thank all the volunteers for making this happen. Thank you. And it is still happening continuously, continuing. And the next project we have completed successfully and presenting it to all of you is Nityananda E-Gurukul, Kailasas Nityananda E-Gurukul. I am launching this E-Gurukul project for all of you to join and enjoy the fruits of Hinduism. Hinduism as all the best superconscious sciences. So here through this E-Gurukul, I am giving you all the power manifestation and superconscious sciences of Hinduism. Please enjoy. Here is a presentation about Gurukul.
Nityanandam, this is Manitya Advaitananda seeking blessing on the auspicious occasion of the 44th Jayanti from the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasannidhanam, His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, for new and enrolled Nityananda E-Gurukul children across the globe. 1,000 kids across 6 continents in 37 countries attend E-Gurukul. 550 new children registered, 3 new schools in India registered, 60 from USA and Spanish, 50 in Canada, 100 in India, 40 children in Europe, 50 children in Southeast Asia and Chinese community, 3 new schools of 250 children, 196 Bhagavad Gita Gurukul e-books with 700 slokas explained for the children with activities and playlist to learn Bhagavad Gita chanting. All 18 chapters are recorded. Thank you, Swamiji.
The next offering I have is new temples and centers all over the world getting started from today. I give my blessings to all these new centers and temples beginning all over the world, reviving the ancient enlightened civilizational nation. Centers. Kailasa Toronto is beginning the live stream of 24/7 from Suprabhadam to Pallierai. Blessings to Kailasa Toronto's new project. New Kailasas now being inaugurated are 3 new centers in China, 2 new centers in Europe. New Satsang centers. Hai Dian Wen Sheng Center in Beijing, China. Shangshan in Dalian, China. Xianyang Yang Da Center in Hubei, China. Blessings. And Beijing City, China. Blessings for Kailasa in China. Kailasa in Slovenia, Center Ljubljana, Slovenia. Blessings to Kailasa, Slovenia. Kailasa in Slovenia. New Kailasa in Norway is inaugurated today. In Loten, Norway, Coordinator Manitya Divyananda, Manitya Atma Premananda. Blessings for the new Kailasa in Norway. Kailasa, Ohio has launched a new website. Thank you, Kailasa, Ohio. Blessings for new website, Kailasa, Ohio. Kailasa in Hyderabad is inaugurating Nityananda Goshala. Blessings for the Goshala project. And so beautiful. Kailasa in Hyderabad. Blessings for the Goshala project. So beautiful. Go Brahmanepyo Subhamastu. Next, Kailasa in San Jose is inaugurating Jnanalaya on books on Hindu administration and governance, Arthashastra, Manusmriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti, and so many books on Hindu subjects. Blessings to Kailasa San Jose Jnanalaya. Blessings. And next thing is literally moving my heart. I am overwhelmed by the support from all over the world for Kailasa. The support pouring from all over the world. I am just overwhelmed. Thank you, thank you, thank you, one and all, for this proclamation messages pouring in thousands. We started getting the proclamation messages just few days before. First few hundreds came. I thought maybe 100 proclamation messages will come. Now it's going all over the world. I don't know the number. I just want to sincerely thank every one of you who sent your proclamation messages, letters of appreciation, everyone, and who have joined. Many of you are here, I know. Sri Ilanko Indu Munnani from Chennai, Sri S.V. Sridharji, Hanuman Sena Hindu Makkal Katchi from Tamil Nadu. Thank you for being here. And Milpitas, USA Mayor, thank you for being here. I have a long list of proclamation letters. I sincerely want to thank every one of you who poured your support through proclamation letters, commendation letters. Yes, I have large number of proclamations, and even now in the last minute it is pouring. They are just organizing. So before presenting the proclamations, I have some more gifts to all of you from Kailasa. Today we have Tamil Nityananda Pedia, Kailayatin Nityananda Pedia enum Tamil Nityananda Pedia is available. I am sharing with you all. Please enjoy this gift.
नाम नित्यानंद में ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर नित्यानंद में ब्रह्मांड नायक हरि नित्यानंद में नित्यानंद में
So I have next project, Vaikunta Darshan, coming January 9th, 2020. We will be having Vaikunta Darshan, Venkateshwara Bhava Samadhi Darshan and Krishna Bhava Samadhi Darshan. I invite all of you to come and enjoy Vaikunta in Kailasa.
आनन्दम्
Enjoy.
आनन्दमे आनन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे 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 गोविन्द गोपाल केशव माधव नारायण राजीव लोचन आदि सनातन नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे नित्यानन्दम् आनन्दं नित्यानन्दमे.
The next gift I have from Kailasa to all of you is autobiography of the Avatar updated. We have lot more content and the recent discovery material. Everything is collected and made available to all of you. Please enjoy this presentation.
Nityanandam, on the auspicious occasion of the 44th Jayanti of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, the autobiography of the Avatar Department is offering the landing page for the Enlightenment ecosystem for creating superconscious beings, with the compiled talks of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism and descriptions now available for 26 gurus, 18 acharyas, and 6 family members, totally 50 pages for the members of the Enlightenment ecosystem of Tiruvannamalai, where His Divine Holiness was born. Now you can see and read more about the Enlightenment ecosystem, the members of the Enlightenment ecosystem who made the supreme manifestation of Paramashiva possible. Also, we have the Sovereign Archives with 75 heirlooms and valuable artifacts from the divine life of the Avatar, showcasing the divine interactions, blessings, and leelas which have taken place in the life of the Avatar. Now you can explore and understand and deeply imbibe these items in the divine life of the Avatar. Also, on the autobiography of the Avatar is now available in 6 platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Reddit, actively enriching the world with the life of the Avatar. With this, we offer our humble pranam at the divine lotus feet of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Thank you, Nityanandam.
Next is the beautiful offering from Kailasa to the whole world. Hinduism had unique signs of deification, much superior to mummification of Egypt. Hinduism had the signs of deification. So, through this project and process, becoming immortal, all the founding fathers of Kailasa will be deified in Adi Kailasa, Bidadi, Bangalore. Today, the first batch of deities completed of Sarvanyapita Yajamans, the founding fathers of Kailasa, is ready and going to be installed in Adi Kailasa ritualistically, systematically, formally, as per the Hindu tradition. Here I am presenting the deification updates to all of you.
Deification, gift of immortality to the founding fathers of Kailasa. Deification process is the science of making the body live in the zones of enlightened vertical time zones even after you leave the body. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam is reviving the science of deification for the Hindu diaspora. All founding fathers of Kailasa, SJPs, are eternally blessed. They exist in the form of deities in the breathing space of Paramashiva and Devi Parashakti.
So the next we have is the proclamations from all over the world. As I said, it's overwhelming seeing the pouring support from all over the world, literally from all continents and all countries. Thank you, thank you, thank you all for all the support and proclamation letters and appreciation letters and commendation letters. Here I am presenting some of the proclamations, messages we received, but I am uploading everything on the social media and Nityanandapedia. Maybe tomorrow, whatever we receive, I'll be sharing it with all of you tomorrow also. Today, I'll give you few and share it with all of you. First, I sincerely thank Honorable Xavier Datre, Mayor of City of Montclair, for your proclamation letter. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mayor of City of Montclair, where Kailasa in Los Angeles is existing. Thank you for hosting our temple and thank you for this proclamation letter, Honorable Xavier Datre. Thank you. Next, Honorable Richard Tan, Mayor of City of Milpitas, where the Kailasa of San Jose exists. Thank you, Mayor of City of Milpitas, Honorable Richard Tan, for your proclamation message. Thank you. Next, proclamation message from Mayor of City of Delaware, Ohio, where our Kailasa in Ohio is there, Honorable Caroline K. Riggi. Thank you for your proclamation message. Next, Honorable Marty Flynn, House of Representative of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, United States of America. Thank you for your proclamation message. Thank you. Next, Dr. Mahesh Bhandari, Tarnait Branch President of Australian Labour Party. Thank you for your proclamation message. Next is Honorable Sudesh Satkam Kalichurn, Minister of Labour, Human Resource Development and Training from Mauritius. Thank you for your proclamation message. Next, Susan Sarandon from New York, Academy Award-winning actress and renowned activist. Thank you for your commendation letter. We have a proclamation message from Sri 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 Dr. Shantavira Mahaswamiji, Adipita Koladamata Mahasamsthana. Thank you, Swamiji, for your wonderful proclamation message. And we have proclamation message from Swargapuram Adinam, Srila Sri Marudavana Swami, Dandabani Chesiga Bandara Sannidhi Swamigal, 22nd Guru Maha Sannidhanam of Dharma Mukti Swargapuram Adinam. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Tirukkailaya Parambarai Meigandar Adinam, Perur Samasthanam, Perur Adinam, Sri Santalinga Marudachala Adigal. Thank you for your proclamation message. And we have a proclamation message from Most Venerable Datuk Kesri Dhammaratna, Chief High Priest of Malaysia Buddhist Mahavihara. Thank you for your commendation letter. We have a proclamation message from Sri V. Vipulananda Adiyar, Adiyar Vipulananda, chairman and religious leader of Periya Shivan Temple, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Thank you, Sri V. Adiyar Vipulanandaji, for your wonderful proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Auckland, New Zealand, Shivasri Chandru Gurukal, Chief Priest of Auckland Sri Ganesh Temple. Thank you, Shivacharya ji, for your proclamation message. Message from Mauritius, Perumal Subbarayadu, President of Sri Mahapratyangara Devi Kalabhairava Temple. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Member of Legislative Assembly Magadi A. Manjunath, Sri A. Manjunath, Ramanagara District, Karnataka, where the Adi Kailasa is situated. Thank you for your proclamation message, Sri A. Manjunath ji. We have proclamation message from Sri Chevalier Arunachalam, Chairman and International Mudaliyar and Pillaimar Association. I wanted all of you to know. He, Sri Chevalier Arunachalam ji, is representing 2 crore Mudaliyar and Pillaimar, the community in which I am born and brought up. This community has 4,000 community sanghas. The 4,000 community organizations spread all over the world. All the 4,000 as apex body. That body is this International Mudaliyar and Pillaimar Association, which has all the organizations under its control. Sri Mr. Chevalier Arunachalam is the President and Chairman of the International Mudaliyar Pillaimar Association, representing crores of people of the community in which I was born and brought up. Thank you for your proclamation message and blessings to the whole community. Menmaigol Saivanidi Vilanguga Ulagamellam. And we have a commendation letter from Patrick Conroy, S.J. Chaplain, U.S. House of Representatives. Thank you, Reverend Patrick Conroy, for your wonderful message. We have proclamation message from Pandit Akhilesh Chandra Sharma, Chairman of Central Disaster Management Committee, Fiji. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Sri S.V. Sekharji, Member of Legislative Assembly and Member of BJP. Thank you for your wonderful proclamation message. Thank you. We have proclamation message from Sri P. Unni Krishnan, musician who is associated with Kailasa for so many years. Thank you, Sri Unni Krishnan ji, for your wonderful proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Sri Vedantam ji, International Working President of Viswa Hindu Parishad. Thank you for your proclamation message. Blessing. We have proclamation message from Kannadasan Paramashivan, Chairman of Subramania Swami Temple, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Mrs. Hazel Duke, renowned civil rights activist, co-chair, Coalition of Hate-Free Internet and President of NAACP NI Chapter, New York. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from President of New York, Governor Lions Club, President of United States Asian World Pigeon, President of AL Models in New York, Anna Ling. Thank you for your proclamation message, Anna Ling. And we have proclamation message from Joseph Paul Hatfield, former CEO of Walmart Asia. Thank you for your proclamation message, CEO of Walmart Asia. We also have a proclamation message from Meenadas Narayanan, senior journalist, filmmaker, poet, artist, cartoonist, and opinion maker in India. Thank you, Meenadas ji, for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Dr. Stephanie Arcane, founder and CEO of National Stop the Violence Alliance. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Urmila Singh, Managing Director of Nuzori, Fiji. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from International Global Peace University President, Dr. VP Gopal Raghavan. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from John Purkis, Sri John Purkis, author and director of Purkis and Company from London, UK. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Deepam Network TV, proprietor Kandan Narayana Swami from Puduvai, India. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Managing Director of Shivam TV, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Shakti Mohandas, Seremban, Malaysia. Thank you. She is the Malaysian Indian Congress National Secretary. Thank you for your proclamation message. We have proclamation message from Mr. Pedro, President of Dominican International Business Federation, Florida, USA. Thank you for your proclamation message. Of course, we have almost 1,000 pouring in still. I'll upload everything in the internet, and I sincerely thank each and every one of you who sent the proclamation message. And I will also be reading out tomorrow in further satsangs. And today also evening, Indian Standard Time, 10 o'clock, we have one more satsang and celebration. Please, all of you join. Now let's move to the next Tulabharam, the next, and then Maheshwara Puja. We have so many more programs happening, and I wanted to welcome and thank Sri Santavira Mahaswamiji of Adipita Koladamata, my own Guru, for being here. Thank you, Swamiji, for joining and blessing all of us. And once again, I want to thank everyone who is here for making this Kailasa happen with the grace of Paramashiva. Beautifully, the Kailasa is manifesting. So, remember Paramashiva's message on this auspicious occasion. Blessing, 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 blessing all of you. Now, the super conscious breakthrough will start manifesting for the whole universe. Pralaya, deluge is over. It is time now. The super conscious breakthrough happens. Let us all build our life super conscious based. Kailasa is ready. Kailasa has happened. It is manifesting beautifully, giving super conscious breakthrough to the whole world. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. So today's message from Paramashiva, directly from Kailasa, is blessings, blessings, blessings. Super conscious breakthrough is happening. I welcome all of you to come and join, be part of this Kailasa, enjoy super conscious breakthrough. So with this, we will move to the next segment, Tulabharam and Maheshwara Puja. I welcome all of you and bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa, Paramashiva, Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.